आपका हिंदी है या इंग्लिश है?
इंग्लिश है।
प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Sir, my name is Mohan Yadav. I am a resident of Faridabad district of Haryana. I have done BTech in Information Technology from YMCA University from Faridabad, Haryana itself. And my hobbies are playing cricket, watching science fiction movies, and reading articles related to international relations.
Why you prefer science fiction movie?
Sir, science fiction movies like it gives us some interesting things and something use of different tools and technology which creates creativity how this thing works. This kind of mindset also develops. So that's
It
why.
means social movie are not needed.
Sir, it is just a part of movies a simple genre. So technology I love as compared to the social part more. Technology I love more.
But you are going to serve the society.
Yes, sir.
So your hobbies in different direction and your job profile in different direction.
Sir,
How will you match?
like a technology and society we cannot separate completely, they are intermingled. So like if we go only for technology, then it will not be possible, and if we separate the society, we can see multiple examples where technology is merged with the society. For example, if we talk about this EPFO and where we serving thousands lakhs of people, so technology is used as a medium for delivery of the service. So it is for the society. So in this
Then
sense,
what's the difference between employee and officer? And where you find yourself, like an employee or like officer?
sir, employee is a general category, an officer is also an employee, and officer is based on the responsibility and task is given. So in that sense, that person is a officer.
Do you think you are like an officer or employee?
Sir, I believe that I am in the both category. First of all, I will be an employee because after
Tell me some leadership quality.
leadership qualities like taking responsibility for the team, managing the team, and motivating the team members, and also coordinating with the higher management. So these are the qualities of some leadership.
All these are social intelligence, but your orientation is not in this direction.
Sir,
You say that you prefer science, not
like
social aspect.
I also like the social aspect in context of movies if I talk about, but technology is that also gives good sense understanding. That's why I love science fiction.
Acha, tell me how your technical expertise, your science orientation will work in your coming job profile.
Sir, as I have done BTech in information technology, basically related to IT system, network, and all these. So with this, I will be a more tech savvy person, and will be able to do my task more efficiently. EPFO is also going to be more digitalized, and also will motivate companies and other establishment owners to adopt the technology and other mediums of a technology system that government is offering. And apart from that, there is also focusing in my department. If I talk about that, I will also have a keep an eye over the cyber security, that if there is any issue and or any other thing that maybe later on become a more issue.
You read articles related to international relations.
Yes, sir.
Which recent article you have read?
Sir, recently I read an article related to this uh, this one North Ireland Protocol.
What is this?
Sir, Northern Ireland Protocol is related to the Brexit deal. Under this, it is said that after the exit of the Britain from the European Union, the northern part of Ireland, which is called Northern Ireland and which is part of UK, it is said that this will remain in the integration with the rest of the Ireland, because it has historical and social aspect, that both these like it is an whole island of Ireland, so people are more connected with each other. So, and
So in which side you are? Russian or Ukraine?
sir, I will be on the side of peace. We cannot completely say that Russia is doing good, or either there should be not any kind of aggression, and peaceful resolution of the any dispute is there.
How it can be possible?
Sir, how this can be done based on the negotiations, discussions. If Russia feels that there is any kind of provocation against him, so that can be reduced. Russia feels that this NATO is increasing its
Do
boundary.
you think the role of India in Russian and Ukraine crisis was managed?
Yes, sir.
So then how?
Sir, India's role in this issue is more balanced. On one side, India is also talking with President Vladimir Putin, but on the other side, also Prime Minister of India also talked with the Zelensky. So, and apart from this, India has also sent the medical help to the Ukraine, and also keep in touch with the Russia, that solving the dispute with peaceful measures instead of taking any hard action. So in this way, and apart from this, there is also different measures taken by Indian government at different international platforms, skipping the boat against the Russia, and on the other side helping the.
Achha, you know the sovereignty. What is sovereignty?
Such sovereignty means that a particular country has the right of self-determination. Like it can make it rules, and no other country or no other organization is forcing or pushing anyone that they do particular task in that manner.
How much this sovereignty can be respected?
Sir, sovereignty can be respected if there is a parliament system, or but sir.
How much we can respect the sovereignty of other country?
Sir,
In which condition we can violate the respect of sovereignty of that country?
there is not should be anything to destroying anyone's this sovereignty, but in case of any kind of big war, and apart from this, there is any kind of human right violation at larger scale, genocide, and if there is any condition
Just war theory?
but sir,
Just war theory? Just war theory?
no sir, no sir.
Uh, do you know about Bollywood, Hollywood, and Tollywood?
Yes sir.
What is the difference among this?
Sir, these are the general name given to the movies industries. Hollywood refers to the Western movies. American and European countries are combined into Hollywood, and this Bollywood is related to Hindi movies industry, and this the Tollywood is related to this Telugu film industry.
And who movie makes in Bengal? This name is?
Sorry, sir, not able to recall.
What is a short movie?
Sir, short movies are generally like a half an hour movie, or it is usually less than 1 hour movie, and showing some short story kind of this thing.
And what is parallel movie?
But sir,
Parallel movie, Samanantar cinema.
sorry sir, not able to recall the term.
What is commercial movie and art movie? What is difference between them?
Sir, I know the answer in case of general, in detail, I am not able to recall both these terms, commercial and art movies.
How many types award in India belong to cinema?
Sir, I am able to recall only one. This is Dada Saheb Phalke Award, is given by the Indian government.
And Filmfare award?
Which one, sir?
Filmfare Award.
Yes, sir. This is also. Yes, sir.
How many types of certificate in movie?
Sir, there are, as per my knowledge, there are three kind of certifications are given. Like exact name I will not able to recall. Sorry, sir.
What is the U certificate?
Sir, U certificate refers to this belongs to under adult category of movies.
And your second hobby is cricket.
Yes, sir.
How many types out in the cricket?
But sir,
How many types of out in the cricket?
outs. There are bowled and cotton bowled and catch out, run out, and LPW 5. And apart from this,
What is the
Five
difference? What is the difference between power play and slog over?
sir, in this power over in this power play, the number of players in the outer circle, the inner circle will be less, and most of the players remain in the inner circle of the ground.
A type of bowling style. His name is the slower. What is slower?
Sir, slower is basically reducing throwing the ball in a way that its speed is less.
And what
Slower.
is Yorker?
Yorker is basically thrown directly at the legs, at the foot, and without any tip at the mid of the
What
pitch.
is the difference between full toss and Yorker?
Sir, full toss is usually goes above the shoulder ball, and this Yorker will be directly put at the feet.
What is the difference between swing and spin?
Sir, these are type of bowling actions, and in case of swing, generally these are the categories based on which balls swing. Like in spin, it is a general action that we throw, and in swing the ball moves in the air.
What is the difference among Googly, Dusra and Chinaman?
Sorry, sir, not able to recall that term.
Do you know currently so Agipar scheme?
Yes, sir.
What is your opinion on this topic?
Sir, in my opinion, the government has brought this scheme for the purpose of increasing the employment, and as well as reducing the expenditure currently government is incurring on the defense purposes. So I think scheme is fine, but if people are raising certain issue, so we can add certain reforms in it.
Okay, and two positive aspects and two negative aspects in this scheme.
Sir, in this case, the positive aspect will be like this one, increasing employment and reducing the expenditure on the financial burden mainly. And if I talk about negative burden, then like there will be less zeal among the youth to join the army.
What can we say this scheme is the counter of China?
Cannot completely say, like, but it can be said that India is boosting its capability in terms of technological warfare.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you.
What is unemployment?
Sir, unemployment refers to a condition in which a person not able to get a job.
So you are employed or unemployed?
Sir, currently I am unemployed, and
what kind of unemployment it is?
sir, it is a frictional kind of unemployment.
Okay, and what is frictional?
Sir, frictional means that I am knowingly in this situation of unemployment because of getting some other job opportunity better.
So are you working somewhere?
Sir, currently like not working full time, but as a part time working in some institute for content related material.
Okay. And what kind of this worker or economy is known as?
But sir,
Gig economy, have you heard?
yes sir, yes sir,
So you are gig worker.
yes sir, gig worker. I am a gig.
Whether the labor law define this gig labor?
Sir, currently labor laws do not define the gig worker, but the government recently introduced those 4 labor code in which government is talking about recognizing the gig workers as a like providing social security benefit and other kind of benefit.
What are the labor laws which are brought by the government of India recently?
Government has brought 4 labor code. These are the compilation of 29 central labor laws. These 4 labor code are wage code, social security code, industrial dispute code, and occupational safety and health code.
What is the first one?
Sir, wage code. This wage code talks about like setting of income for a particular category of employment by the central government, and for the rest of the category, the state government will set the minimum income, and central government will set the floor wages. And in case of minimum wages, the government, central and state government both will set the minimum wages.
Have you heard about the Manrega?
Yes, sir, I heard.
What is it?
Sir, Manrega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Under this, 100 days of guaranteed employment is provided to the person who are needy. Like if any person wants some work, he can apply for the work.
Other
This
than 100 days, what are the other provisions?
like 100 days will be mandatory from the government side, and if there will be requirement for more work, then they will be further continued.
Only 100 days you are strict. There are certain provision. What is the amount which will be paid to the people, working hours, all these things.
Sir, in Manrega, the wages have been increased to 202 rupees per day, and in case of like extending the days for the employment, it depends on project basis or case to case basis. 100 days is guaranteed. That's why like it is one of the top feature
You are
of
not
this.
knowing the essential features of the Manrega. Have you heard about the Pradhan Mantri Man Dhan scheme?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana, it provides minimum 3,000 of pension to the subscriber after the age of 60, and for this person between the age of 18 to 14 years are eligible for this, and basically it is a kind of a pension scheme.
How many, there are certain pension schemes which are launched by the government of India. Can you tell me the name of those schemes?
Yes, sir. प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी योजना, प्रधानमंत्री लघु व्यापारी मानधन योजना, प्रधानमंत्री किसान मानधन योजना. This is for the farmers, and apart from this, there is Atal Pension Yojana, and Employees Provident Fund also provide the retirement pension. These are the certain names.
Who is your favorite director?
Sir, my favorite director is S. Shankar.
Yes.
S. Shankar.
Okay. Why is famous for you?
Sir, because he created one of the, like in my opinion, he created one of the best quality movies in terms of introducing more technology towards Indian cinema.
Like,
He has created a movie 2.0 in which VFX kind of technology. We can see many other movies do not use this technology, and this is directly taken from other countries outside. So first time it is used, so that's why like it will pioneer the work, and other movies will also follow the footstep.
Mr. Mohan, you are technology lover.
Yes, sir.
You love technology fictions also.
Yes, sir.
Innovative fictions also.
Yes.
I'm not convinced with your answer that you have been leaving that field and you have been joining EPFO.
Sir, like social security or this work requires multi-dimensional purpose, multi-dimensional man who can contribute multiple way, and technology is one of the aspect. If it is there, then I think I will be help the society in a much better way.
But we have not been recruiting as a technical officer. Rather, we have been recruiting as an administrative officer.
Yes, sir, administrate. But with this knowledge of technology, I will be better aware of various things. For example, there are many times cyber security issues are there.
Tell
So,
me the role of enforcement officer.
sir, enforcement officer is basically a field. It is a field job, and it is verification of claims, and it is also like part of legal process if there is any arises. And currently, I am able to recall this.
Only two functions are there. portion which you have enumerated, there is no role of technology in
Yes, sir. Apart from this, I am able to recall one more. It is related to ensuring that firms are complying with the rules of the EPFO and other labor laws.
Okay. What is e-governance?
Sir, e-governance is a form of governance in which government uses the technology and other mediums to provide the delivery of service to public, to citizens.
Tell me the pillars of e-governance.
Sir, field of e-governance. Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall exact term.
What exactly the net neutrality is?
What, sir?
Net neutrality. Have you heard?
Yes, sir. Net neutrality means that the internet service provider should be neutral. Like he is not showing or like favoring any one company so that the users do not prefer any one site. So like it is giving equal chance all firms or all these service providers.
What are those discriminations because of which we have been talking about the net neutrality?
Sorry, sir, not able to recall.
Peer-to-peer or
Peer.
user-to-user. There are certain kind of discriminations. No?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, not able
What
to
is
recall.
search engine?
Sir, search engine is basically a system in which a person who wants to search anything, then the system SEO, this search engine works in a manner that it extracts the knowledge from the vast internet and present in a presentable manner to the user.
Tell me the name of certain search engines.
This Google Chrome and Internet Explorer and Bing and Safari.
Why the Internet Explorer was in news or is in news right now?
Yes, sir. It is in news because the company has decided to shut down its operations.
Why it has shut down?
Sir, it is said that actually, sir, I am not completely know about this, but as per my knowledge, company is thinking that it is under less uses. So burden of running this system is more. That's why company is thinking to shut down.
Are you sure?
Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall exact.
There is a word web 0.1 or web 1, web 2, web 3. What
Yes.
is it?
Sir, these are the different categories, or we can say the evolution of the web system. And web 1.0 refers to the simple static pages. So it can be an example of Wikipedia or any kind of simple pages there are. And web 2.0, there are some a person can search on it. And in web 3.0, it will be like a more social media type of system, web 3.0.
Okay, what is LIGO?
Which one, sir?
LIGO.
Lego,
LIGO.
large interface. Sorry, sir, not able to recall.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sir, thanks.